can, cut the knot out. This is part 2. Cheryl is putting rabbits on the boxes. Not bunnies, rabbit joints. We're up in the other shop and we're putting these boxes together. We're going to do a complete box assembly on this. These are our end pieces. They've been cut 13 3/4 by 9 7/8 high. We're doing step by step here. So the next thing we have to do is assemble the boxes. Now where you hear it really hitting there, that's where a knot is. Let's see that knot, Cheryl. See that knot? There's that knot. Now these was trees that we cut down here last year, and they've been air dried lumber. And this just goes to show you, if you're a lady and you want to make beehives, don't let it stop. Just get your husband's saw and start sawing. Anybody can make beehives. You make a beehive here for a couple dollars rather than go out and spend a fortune on these things. Not hard, it's just you got to take your time and make sure you don't get in a hurry. We'll put up part 3 of this box building here, hopefully tonight. This is Fat Bee Man. If you enjoy the videos, go to the webpage, DixieBeeSupply.com. Send $1. Appreciate it.